Check it out, I can see with the monitor. This is Kuruneko Takyubin, I think. The black cat. So Amazon uses them.
マークさんですか？はい。はい、じゃあですね。お名前間違いないですかね？はい。はい、どうぞお願いします。
This is a lot smaller than I was expecting. I'm gonna pop it open and see what it looks like. Oh, okay. This is like there's just like, oh, that's cool. It's already pre-built. It comes with a mallet. That's pretty cool. Probably aluminum. Just a bunch of these parts. Oh, and these I think are sleeves. So I pop these all in. Boom, I'm Wolverine. And pop one of these babies in. And here's our 3-piece thing, which I believe will be the bottom part. I just repeat the process. I build another one of this for the bottom, put it here, and then again, and again, and again. Yo, this is really hard. Nice. Just grab one of these, pop it open, put this guy on. That's it. And I can slide it in like that. Yes, it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly there. Just wish it was aligned here, but what you gonna do? Yeah. I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna cook some stuff. It's almost 2 p.m. We're gonna use up all of this nita. All that nita. Then we're gonna cook some roast pork wiener. And there we go. Alright, time for a taste test for this. Itadakimasu. I still prefer spring onions or green onions, but the nita has this slight bitterness to it, bit of a bite. Let's taste this wiener. So good. Nice and juicy. A little playground. This is pretty cool. This is like a little park. It's got this old slide and some bars. I guess I could do some boxing training here. Go like this. Tiny park in the middle of all of these houses. Just a bunch of houses here. Whoa. Houses over here. Yeah, really cool. Hello Rina, hello Mr. SK. It's me, Mark. Congratulations on your wedding, and I wish you both a wonderful life together. Omedetou gozaimasu. Alright, next. This is what I was looking for. Shiitake. This guy. Stuff is delicious. Since Edo period. Check that out. Nice. Check out how dumb this looks. It's sticking out of my backpack. Alright, let's get going. Yo, so I was at the grocery store because I'm gonna make nabe again, like a soup. So I have carrots, I have enoki, and I have the napa cabbage in the bottom. Eggplants, and I'm gonna put some spring onions. Shiitake. Okay, not as overflowing as last time. And what I'm gonna use is this guy. This is straight up like soup. You pour it in and that's it. And there is this famous chain restaurant that's called Akakara, where they do you can grill stuff, but then they also have this famous soup. Aka is red, kara is spicy, so red spicy. Have my eyes off for 1 second and I have a mess again. Oh well, I'll clean that up. Okay, so that's a bowl. I added the meat that was left over from yesterday, and I only have very little left. So, alright, time to taste this bad boy. Itadakimasu. Mmm. I haven't had this in a long time. It's so good. It's like spicy, but it's got like sweetness in it too. The carrots just become sweeter. Mmm. Alright, I'm gonna fire it up again because I ate all the meat already and cook some of this. Hey. Mmm. Ah, that is so good. By the way, according to the packaging, this pork is from Canada. Yep. No veggies, essentially. And no meat either. So good. So this is the wedding invitation reply card. And apparently there's a certain way to fill this out. So this is the other side of the stamp. The address is over here where it's going. And it's the address of my friend who's getting married. She had already put a stamp for me. And right here is like the kanji for iku. Basically it's going there. I have to scratch that out using a ruler. 2 lines. And then put sama. So her name, Sama, for respect. So yeah, it ends up looking like that. And then for accepting it, so I guess I circle here the attendance thing. Scratch out that little bit. Scratch out that bit. And then I scratch out this bit. And you have to do these with straight like rulers or something. You just are left with me or like the kanji for name. And then you scratch out this little bit. The kanji here is the same, right? This first one here. And it becomes jusho or address, and then you put down your address here. That's how it's done. That's how you accept a wedding invitation in Japan. Very specific. And finally on the bottom part here, for any open space, you're supposed to write some short message. And this is what I wrote. Happy wedding. Looking forward to celebrating with you. And that's it. Ready to be sent.